Today in math we did lesson 12. We're going to do homework problem 2C. And one of the strategies we learned in math today, in addition to continuing to work on the distributive property, is this, I call it the 10 minus 1 strategy. So when you're trying to figure out a multiplication problem, and in this case 2C is asking you for 9 sevens over here, as you can see. So what they're saying is, rather than doing 9 sevens or 9 times 7, it's way easier to just do 10 sevens, because 10 is a nice round easy number to multiply by. So everyone knows that 10 times 7 is 70. Now, since it's called the 10 minus 1 strategy, we're going to take 1 7 away. So if you take 1 7 away, you get 63. Therefore, 9 times 7 equals 63. And if you were doing that in your book here, you would put 70 here, and you would say that's equal to 63. And I guess the match we would find is right here. If we were matching, that's where the match would be. So that's the 10 minus 1 strategy as we worked on it today. Always multiply by 10 and then just take 1 away to help you get your answer. It is I would say it's a form of the distributive property, where you use smaller problems or easier problems to solve the problem that you're trying to solve. And finally, when we're doing this page, we not only have to draw a picture from the sun to the cloud, but then also to the problem as well. So you kind of have 3 different spots, 3 different places that connect the line together.